Good morning, my dear students. Om Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Vamrutam Gamaya Om Shanti 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 Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samarprabha Nirvignam Kurume Devo Sarvakaryasu Sarvarada Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurve Namaha Om Shanti. Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to take class on grade 3, that is class 3, the mathematics unit number 2, that is addition. And in the previous session I had explained to you about these additions up to 2.3 exercises. Okay, addition of 4 digit number with a 4 digit number without regrouping I had explained you. And today let me explain you the addition of 2 4 digit number with regrouping. Okay, addition of 4 digit numbers, addition of two 4 digit numbers, 1 2 3 4 digit number. This is ones, tens, hundredth and thousands. Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Okay, and here the same additions, so steps are same. Arrange the numbers according to the place value chart in the digits. Add the ones column first. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13 and 13 is equal to 1, 10 and 3 ones. Write 3 on the ones place value and regroup 1, 10 to the tens place value. And add the tens column 2 plus 3 plus 1, that is 1 carrying 1 plus 2 plus 3, that's equal to 6. Write down 6 in the tens place value and add 100 place value. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. 12 you have write down 2 here and 1 you have take down carry, right? And again, so here 12 you have write down 2 here, 1 you take down carry, then 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7. The answer is 7,263, right? 7,263. This is 2,529 plus 4,734 is equal to 7,263. Don't embarrass. Any number you have been given, the steps are same. You have to set your mind cool and you start solving these sums, right? So next is, so second step is here they have explained here. So this is step 4 is add the hundreds column. 5 plus 2 is 12. 12 means write down 2 here, 1 you take down carry and the thousand place. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7. Right now this is how we need to solve this, right? Therefore addition of 2,529 is plus 4,734 is equal to 7,263. Okay, so example 2, add 4,637 and 3,978. Arrange in the place number in the according to the place value chart and digits and add. So simply this is 7 plus 8 is 15, carry 1, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 7 is 11, write down 1 here, 1 you take down carry on the 100 place. 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 9 is 16, write down 6 here, 1 you take down carry, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8. That's it. This is how we need to solve the sums. Therefore the sum is 8,615. Let's check your understanding here. Add the place value of 9 in the 9,574 with the face value of 8 in the place value of 8 in the 6,841. Means the place value of 9 in this number is 9,000. Okay, plus the place value of 8 in the 6,849 is this is 800. Place value of 8 in the 6,841 is 800. Okay, so here 0 plus 0 is 0. Again 0 plus 0 is 0. Again 0 plus 8 is 8. Then 9 as it is, 9800 only. Okay, this is how we need to sum. And add the place value of 7 in the 5790. The place value of 7 is 700. Okay, and the place value of 3 in the 3772. Right, the place value of 3 is 3000. So 3000 plus 700 is equal to 0 plus 0 is 0. Okay, 0 plus 0 is again 0. 7 plus 0 is 7 only, and 3 as it is. Okay, this is how. Here they have asked you the place value of particular number. Okay, clear? So now this exercise based on the above example, that is addition of two 4-digit number with regrouping. Okay, clear? So exercise number 2.4, this is add this. It's all about add the following. So here ones, tens, hundred and thousand. This is a 4-digit number, and here 3-digit number. Okay, with regrouping it is 7 plus 6 is 13. Take down 1 carry, leave a space above, right? 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. Write down 0 here and take down 1 carry to the 100 place. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. Write down 1 carry here. 1 plus 3 is 4, and below no number, write down 4 as it is. Right? Followed. So next is 5 plus 7 is 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7 is 12. Carry 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. Carry 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. And 5 plus 2 is 7. Right? As it is. Addition is same. Regrouping means carrying. Any digit, any number, if there is digit, arranging them in the place value chart is most important. That's it. Okay. So next, let's solve the further examples of the same exercise. All the examples of the same exercise. Here, let's solve. So same thing, right? Same additions. So 2 plus 9 is 11. 2 plus 9 is 11, right? So here 2 plus 9 is 11. 1 write down there, 1 you take down carry. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. Write down 1 here, carry 1 here. 1 plus 5, 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 12. 5 plus 7 is 12. So write down 2 here and 1 you take down carry to the 1000 place. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. This is addition of 6462 and plus and 1769 is equal to 8231, right? Clear? So next here is addition of 4593 plus 2739. So this is addition of 3-digit number, a 4-digit number with a 4-digit number, or 3-digit number with regrouping. Okay, 3 plus 8 is 11. 1 write down here, 1 you take down here. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. Okay, so this is 1 plus 5 is 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13 again, and 1 here. 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7, right? The addition of 4593 and 2738 is equal to 7331. Okay, right? So here arrange in column and add. Arrange in column and add. Okay, so here we need to arrange in column and add, right? Clear? So this is our 4318 plus 548. So 4000 means we need to start with the 4-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4 digit number. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 digit number. 4000 means you start from here. Leave a space for carrying. So this is 4318. This is 100, 3-digit number. It start from not 1000. It start from hundreds. 548. 8. This is most important. Arranging in the systematically in the columns in the place value chart. Okay. This 8 plus 8 is 16. Plus 1 you take down carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 plus 5 is 8. 4 below 4 no nothing is there, means 0. 4 plus 0 is 4 only, right? Clear. So arranging in the place value chart is most important. Arranging systematically in the place value chart is most important. And here, so this is 3019. 3019 plus 5005. Okay. So we have to, this is most important. This is a 4 digit here, 4 digit above here, 4 digit, 4 digit. 3000, 5000. Here 4000 is a 500. This 3 digit we have to start from 100. 4 digit you have to start from 1000, right? Here both are 4 digit number, both are in the 1000 place. So we are started from this 4 digit number, 4 digit number. 5 plus 9 plus 5 is 14 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 0 is 2 only. 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 5 is 8. That's it. Okay. So next is 6415 plus 2789. Right. So this is 6451. 2789. 1 plus 9 is 10. Write down 1 carry. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 14. Write down 1 carry. 1 plus 5, 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. Carry 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Okay. Clear. So here 5397 plus 378. This is a 3 digit number, this is a 4 digit number. Be careful. Okay. 5397. So 300 means I have to start from 100th column. 378. So here you will use space for writing the carry numbers. So here 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 is equals to 15. Carry 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. Carry 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. And here no carry, no problem. 5, no number in this column other than 5. So write down 5 as it is. That's it. That's it. Okay. That's it. Hope you have understood this. Then let us move on to the next exercise, that is 2.5. This example based on the 2.5, right? This example based on the exercise number 2.5, right? So here addition of 3 4-digit numbers without regrouping. So any number, 3 4-digit numbers, 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, they are 4 digits, 1 2 3 4-digit numbers without regrouping. Without regrouping means without carrying. Okay, without carrying. Shall we do it? So same steps, arranging in them in all the numbers in the systematic order. That's 1223, 1223 and 2410 and 1224, same as this. And first you add the ones value, second you add the tens value, third you add the hundredths value, fourth you add the thousandth value. That's it. This is without regrouping. Okay. First you have to add 304, right? Then this, then 100 and 1000 plus, right? This is how we need to. Thus the sum of 1223 plus 2410 and 1224 is equals to 4827. That's it. Addition of 3 4-digit numbers with regrouping. This is without regrouping, here with regrouping. In the with regrouping, you should be careful in while giving the carry. That's it. And adding that carry number to that particular column. That's it. Okay. Same thing. So addition of 3 4-digit numbers. 1 4-digit number, second 4-digit number, third 4-digit number. Addition of 3 4-digit numbers with regrouping. With regrouping means with carrying. That's it. Step 1, same, arranging the place in the particular value. Then add ones and then add tens. If you get more than 9, write down 17 here. So this is more than 9. So this is 16. 6 write down here. 1 you take down carry. So you add this. This is 17. 17 write down 7 here, and 1 you take down carry. 1 1 1 3 3 plus 4 5 5. That's it. And this you add. That is fine. That's it. Adding this number and this number and carry number added to this number. That's it. Clear? So this is how the examples were given. Based on these examples, based on that explanation, we need to solve the addition of 4-digit, 3 4-digit, 1 2 3 4-digit numbers. Okay, this is ones, tens, hundred and thousands. Okay, exercise number 2.5. Add the following. So 0 plus 1 is 1 only. 1 plus 3 is 4. 0 plus 3 is 3 only. 3 plus 6 is 9. Okay, and here 1 plus 5, 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, clear? So next is 5 plus 2 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. That's it. That's it. Okay. So now do some more example based on the same concept. Okay. Based on the same concepts. Let's solve some more example based on the same concepts. The addition of 4-digit numbers, 3 4-digit numbers with regrouping, without regrouping. Both the examples are the same exercise. 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. Write down 1 carry. Simple. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Write down 12. 2 here and 1 you take down to the 100 plus. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. Write down 2 and 1 carry. 1 plus 3 is 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Right? This 6. That's it. Very simple. Right? So 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 9 is 16. Carry 1. Right? 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 6 plus 0 is 6. Plus 8 means 6 plus 8 is 14. Carry 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay. With carrying, without carrying. With grouping, without grouping. That's it. Okay. So next is arrange in the particular properly in the columns and solve. Arrange in columns and solve. This is 1000. Write down 1000 here. Just leave a space for carrying. 1000. 2100. Again 1000. Simply write 0 0 0 0 0 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1 only. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, clear? So next 6000. 6354 plus 1265 and 2165 again. Right? So 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. Right? 7 as it is. 1 you take down carry. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. Write down 8. 1 you take down carry. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 1 7. No carry. Write down below 9 means write down equal to 9 or below 9 means you have to write it in the same value. No need to give carry. What you are going to give carry? Above 9 only you need to give the carry. Right? This is 6. Right? 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. The addition of 6354 plus 1265 plus 2165 is equal to 9787, right? Clear? So this is addition of 1250 plus 2365 and 1465, right? So this is 5 plus 5 is 10, write down 0, 1 you take down carry, 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 6 is 18, write down 8 here, and 1 you take down here, and 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, write down 0, and 1 you take down carry, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. The addition of 1250 plus 3265 plus 1465 is equal to 5080. 5080 is called. Okay, 5080. Clear? Hope you understood. Let's go to the properties of addition, that is based on the exercise number 2.6. Properties of addition. Properties of addition based on the exercise number 2.6. This. Okay. First property. Addition of a number with a 0 gives you the number itself, that you know very well. Example 4579 plus 0 is equal to 4579 only. And here property number 2, addition of a number with 1 gives you the sum as the successor of the number. Successor means next number, that is 1532 plus 1 is 1533. Property number 3, number can be added in any order, that is the number remain in the same, answer remains the same. Addition of 6114 plus 2359 is equal to 2359 plus 6114 is equal to same answer, means A plus B is equal to B plus A. The answer will be the same. Answer will be the same, right? If you interchange the order of the numbers and then add, the answer will be the same in the addition, right? Property number 4, the sum of three numbers grouped and added in any order remain the same. Do remain the same. The means this is A plus B plus C is equal to A to B plus C plus A, or is equals to, this is C plus B plus A. Any order you take down. Example 4213 plus 2112 plus 3462 is equal to 4213 plus 2112 plus 3000 is any number, then you will get the same answer. Interchanging of any order or in addition will gives you the same answer. That is the properties of addition. That's the properties of addition. Okay, let us solve the exercise number 2.6. Fill in the blanks. Here 2714 plus 1324 is equal to 1300 plus 2714, means this number plus this number or this number plus this number. The interchange the order of the number. Okay. So next is 2150 plus 1230 plus 2000. So here is equals to 1670. These two numbers are already came here. So this number is not here. So write down this 1670. It means that 2150 plus 1230 plus 1670 is equal to 1670 plus 1230 plus 2150. Any order it means. So here 1990 plus 2140 plus 3820. So which number is left over here? 1990. Okay, this number is equal to the same. 9981 plus 1 is successor number, that is 9999. Next number you are going to get 9999. So 9998 plus 1 is equal to 9999. 2788 plus 1368 is equals to 1368 plus 2788. Same, this plus this or this plus this, this plus this or this plus this, right? 2465 plus 0 is equal to 2465. Okay, 2990 plus 1225 is equals to how much? Plus 0 is equal to how much? So we need to add these two numbers. Okay, we need to add 2990 plus 1225 plus 0. Okay, so 0 plus 5 plus 0 is 5 only. 2 plus 9 is 2 plus 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 you take down carry. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Write down 1 carry. 1 plus 2. 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. Plus 1 is 4. The answer is 4215. Answer is 2415. Okay, clear. So next example is so 2244 plus 3175 plus 1350 is equal to, this number is already existed here and this number is already came here. This number you need to write. This is 3175. Okay, clear. So this is how we need to solve these examples. Next, word problems or story sums or statement sums. This is based on the exercise number 2.7. This is based on the exercise number 2.7. Okay, exercise number 2.7. The word problem. Example, in a box there are 3721 red balls. In a box 3721 red balls and 4809 blue balls. In a box you have 3721 red balls and blue balls, 4809 blue. How many balls are there in all in the box? Okay, it means that 3721 in the abacus 3721 plus. So this is we can solve 4800. 4 on the thousands, 8 on the hundreds, and 0 on the tens, and 9 on the ones. So here how many are there? This is 3 plus 4 is. So first what we have to do is we have to start from ones. We have to start from ones. Here 0, here 9, here it is 1. Right? Here it is 0, here it is 0, 9, 1 means 10. Write down 0. 1 you have to do, 1 you have to give the carry. Right? So here 0 is here, then here it was 2, it will become 3. 3, right? Then move on to the next. Here it is 5. So here it is 8 plus 7. So here 8 beats and here 7 beats, total it will be 15. Write down 5. 1 you give the carry to this. Means here 4 will become 5 and it will become 9. Right? 4 plus 9. So this is 8. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So let us do on the systematically on the place value chart. Number of red balls is equal to 3721. 3721. Number of blue balls equal to 4809. So total number of balls equals to 9 plus 1 is 1 plus 9 is 10. 0 carry 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 0 is 3 only. So here no carry. 7 plus 8 is 15. 5. 1 you give carry. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Right? Therefore, there are 8530 balls in the box. Okay, so let us do the more statement sums based on this. Okay, will you? Hope you understood the story sums. Story sums are like, I have 2,400 rupees and my dad gave me 1,230 rupees. Altogether, how much money I have in my pocket? This is called addition. Okay, Kaushik has scored. Kaushik has 250 buffaloes. Sorry, 250 oranges, and again Manish gave 1,345 oranges. Altogether, how many fruits are there? Like this, you need to have the story sums. So here 1,102 men and 1,176 women participated in a walk race. How many people were there altogether? Okay, so here 1,102 men, okay, and 1,176 women. Altogether, how many people participated in the walk, in the race? Okay, 2 plus 6 is 8, 0 plus 7 is 7, 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 1 is 2 again, right? This is how we need to solve the story sums. Now altogether total men and women is equals to 2,278 people were participated in the walk race, right? So this is how we need to solve the statement sums. Kaushik has collected 269 shells and Uttam has collected 253 shells for a project. How many shells do they have for the project? So here Kaushik collected is equals to 269 what? Shells, right? And here Uttam has collected 253 shells. How many shells altogether they have collected for the project? So 9 plus 3 is 12. You do one carry. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. Again you have to do carry. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. Altogether total number of shells is equals to 522. Clear? Seashells. Next, on Sunday 1,280 people visited to the museum. On Sunday 1,280 people visited, okay, to the museum. Next, visited to the museum in the morning. Sunday morning, right? Sunday morning it is. Sunday morning, right? Sunday morning, right? Sunday morning, and 1,595 people visited in the evening. Sunday evening, on the same day evening. How many people? 1,595 people visited. You have to solve in notebook, right? 0 plus 5 is 5 only. 8 plus 9 is 17. Carry 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 1 plus 1 is 2. The answer is 2,875 people visited to the museum on Sunday. Write down properly, right? Clear? Hope you understood. Okay, next is, I will give you a separate notes for this, don't worry. So a public library has 1,456 books in English and 1,389 books in other regional language. how many books does the library have? Okay, a public library has 1465 books in English books. Okay, right? And 1389 books on the other regional languages. Regional language. Right? Regional language. How many books does the library have? Means this plus this we need to add. 5 plus 9 is 14. Take 1 carry, right? 1 plus 6 is 7, and plus 8 is 15. Carry 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 1 plus 1 is 2. Clear? Hope you understood. Next story sum is 2,300 people visited to National Park in the first week. 2,327 people visited. Okay, and people visit in the second week. This is second week. How many people? 3,478 people. Right? In the next week. Okay. How many people visited to the national park? 2,327 visited in the first week. 2,264 people visited in the second week. And third week, 3,000. Third week. This is next week. Third week. What the next week is? Third week. Third week, 3,000. Sorry. This is first week, 2,327. Second week, 2,264. And the third week, 3,478. So it means that how many people visited the national park in the month? First week, 2,327. Second week, 2,264. And third week, this is 3,478 people visited. Okay. Altogether, see here, 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 8 is 19. 1 you take down carry. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. Carry 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 0. Give 1 carry. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Altogether, 8,069 people visited in the month. Peoples visited to the national park in the month. Okay, in the month, right? This is how. So 2,327 people visited the national park in the first week. 2,264 people visited in the second week, and 3,478 people visited in the next 2 weeks. How many people visited the national park in the month? Hint: 1 month has 4 weeks. Okay, right? Clear? So first week, second week, and third week. What we can say? Third week, right? Next two weeks, right? Third and fourth. Both means 3,478. Altogether, 8,600 people have visited the national park on that month. Okay, this is how we need to solve the word problems. Recalling, let's recall The number that are to be added are called as the addends, and the answer is known as the sum. Addition of a number with a 0 gives you the number itself. Addition of a number with 1 gives you the successor of the number. Number can be added in any order. The answer remains the same. The sum of 3 grouped and added in any order remains the same. Okay, this is what we calling the exercise. Alright, so here is, let's explore. Arun traveled 4,567 km by road, 7,489 km by train in a month. Varun traveled 7,489 by road and 4,569 km by train in the same month. Who traveled more? For that we have to add Arun, these two travel by the road and this by train, right? First we have to do with the Arun. So here by road Arun 4,567, and by train right, by train 7,489. okay, this is Varun, right? So by road how many kilometers? By road Varun traveled by road 7,489 km by road, and by train train 4,567 kilometers km kilometer, right? Now let us add. 7 plus 9 is 16, carry 1 plus 6 is 7 plus 8 is 15, carry 1 plus 5 is 6 plus 4 is 10, 0, carry 1. Okay, 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 7 is 12, means 12,056 kilometer Arun traveled. Okay, here let's check. 9 plus 7 is 16, carry 1. 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15, carry 1. 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 5 is 10, 0, carry 1. 1 plus 8, 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12. So here 12,056 km Varun traveled by road and train, whereas Arun traveled by road and train is equal to 12,056. Both are equally traveled. In that month, in 1 month. Okay, clear? So next is find the missing digit. Brain teaser. Okay, so here if we should get 6 means what number we have to add? 6 plus 7 will gives you 13. 6 plus 7 will give you 13. Write 3 here, 1 you take down, carry. Okay, and 1 plus 8 is 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. 10, 11. Write down 1 here, 1 you take down, carry. So if 1 and 1 is here, how many numbers should you write in the box? 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So here 4 is already there. How much we need to add to get 7 is 3. If 4 plus 3 is 7. So if you do this, you will get this sum. Right? So next is 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry 1. Okay. Carry 1. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 3 is 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 0. 0 means 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. Write down 0. 1 you take down, carry. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 8 will gives you 11. Write down 1 here. 1 you take down, carry. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7,102. This is how we need to do the brain teasers. Okay, clear? So hope you understood this unit. let us do, this is a math lab. Okay, if you are available in the school, I would have been done this. You work with the form. Okay. Value and life skills. Class 3 students donated 1400 packets of bread to the class 4 students and donated class 3 students donated 1409 packets of bread, and class 4 students donated 1985 packets of bread to the flood survivors. What was the total contribution from the both the classes? Means both the classes we need to add. Third standard donated 1409. Fourth standard contributed 1009 donated 1985 bread packets. So here we need to add 9 plus 5 is 4, 14. 1 you carry, 1 plus 0 is 1 only, plus 8 is 9, and 4 plus 9 is 13. Take down 1 carry, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. That is 3394 packets of bread contributed to the flood survivors. Right? To the flood survivors. So is that this is value and life skills. Class 3 students donated 1409 packets of bread to the bread, and class 4 students donated 1985 packets of bread to the flood survivor. What was the total contribution of the fourth classes? Class 3rd and class 4th, 1409 and 1985. If you add together, total number of packets of bread contributed to the flood survivor, 3394. This is called the value. Whenever the natural calamity or something happens to the people, we need to have the helping hand. That is the value we should learn from that. Fun time is the fun time activity. So fun time activity. Clear? So here fun time activities 4001, 4002, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? If you go 2 places to the right row, if you go here the number grid is given, numbers are given from 4001 to 4100. So what you have to do is, if you go 2 places to the right and 3 rows up from me, you will be at 4027. What you have to do is 2 steps to the right, 2 steps to the right, 2 steps to the right, and 3 rows, and 3 is 1, 2, 3 rows, right? So that is from me you will be at 4027. You will be at 4027. So do this activity at home. It's very simple and the fun filled. So hope you will understood this concept thoroughly. Okay, if at all you find any difficulties, you may give me a call between 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. I will help you in solving the understanding these concepts. Okay, till then, take care. Bye bye.